Kenworth truck with an 18-liter Cat V8 diesel starting up after weeks using an air starter. With 625 horsepower, this smoky cold start showcases the power of a well-maintained system. Listen to a restored DW20, upgraded with a newer model's manifold, turbo, and intercooler, producing the loudest turbo scream ever. This setup, now free of exhaust leaks, delivers an ear-splitting 500 horsepower performance. Take a look at a miniature V8 HotRod Hofrunde, a 45 cubic centimeter V8 powered scale model, revving up with a high-pitched snarl. Built by Weber Precision, this tiny hot rod delivers 5 horsepower for a thrilling run. Watch a GM diesel generator, equipped with a 16V71 engine, crank up with a deep, smoky rumble after sitting idle. This 600 horsepower unit, often used in standby power, delivers reliable energy. Check out a John Deere mower transformed with a small block Chevy V8, starting with a deep, throaty rumble. This custom swap delivers 350 horsepower, turning a lawn tractor into a high-speed monster. Listen to a 230 megawatt Francis turbine at Montezic, France, starting up with a powerful, echoing hum at the pumped hydro storage plant. This 1982 facility helps balance the French power grid. Junkers JUMO 205C, a 1930s opposed piston diesel, starting at the 2015 stand motor and Treffen in Hundeluft. With 600 horsepower, motor number 30,686 powered iconic aircraft like the Ju-52. Ursus C45, a 1947 copy of the Lanz Bulldog, start up using its steering wheel to manually swing the flywheel. With 45 horsepower, this Polish tractor's direction can reverse, as shown by the cabin's speed indicator. See a giant Detroit diesel 16V92T Kohler Genset, a 16-cylinder beast with 4 turbos, start after 10 years of silence. With a 1,000-gallon fuel capacity, this 1,000-kilowatt generator delivers serious power.
Go ahead, fire it up. Cylinder, 4 turbocharged.
The first start of a J.A.P. V8 aerial engine, a 1910 air-cooled marvel built for early aviation. With 45 horsepower, this 4.4-liter V8 powered some of the first British aircraft. Listen to a Ford V8 a 5.0-liter engine from a 1976 Landau, running for the first time after a deep restoration. Known for its smooth power, this classic delivers 199 horsepower with a refined sound. Watch the British Polar M45M engine on Motortug Kent start up alongside 2 Lister JP2 generators. This 1948 tug, restored by the Southeastern Tug Society, delivers 880 horsepower for harbor duties.
That's it, cool. That's gonna go.
A John Deere 7720 combine, a 1980s grain harvester, start up for the first time this year before harvest. With 145 horsepower, this Titan II model rolls some coal after a slow crank.